Hello, my name is Yusuf Suleiman. Yesterday I dropped a video on 5 ways you can make money with just your mobile phone, one of which is freelance. And people were like, what is freelancing? Well, the freelancers are people that doesn't are self-employed people who doesn't work for a specific company but work for multiple companies. Their freelancer is hired for a specific tax project or service by a client. The question people has been asking me is, how do you make money freelancing, or how do you start freelancing?
To start freelancing, all you need to do is go to your phone browser, you go to your Google search best freelancing websites. As you can see here are freelancing platforms of which you can register or sign up with any one of them. With this website here, the question now is,
How do you make more money freelancing even if you are a beginner? And here are the simple tips. One, you choose a niche. If your goal is to start freelancing, you may feel to take any paid job you see on Fiverr or Upwork. But when you specialize in a skill set, you become an expert in a specific field. An expert tends to charge more for their specialized service provided. Number two is create an amazing portfolio. One of the best ways to demonstrate your technical skill is by an amazing portfolio of your own, where you showcase your skill set, highlight your relevant experience, show who you are. You can even include your contact information. Number three, get a clear service offering. One of the major decisions you need to make early on your freelancing career is you choose what to do and what not to do. Be specific. Number four, define what your clients look like. Before you go out there looking for clients, you need to develop a clear picture of who you are going to work best with. Do you want to build a website for small business owners? Do you want to work as a copywriter? Do you want to take a long-term contract with an enterprise size company? Making this clear distinction between who and what kind of business you are taking help you significantly in your freelancing career. The next one is level up your skills. Make sure you have an impressive skill of high demand. For example, digital marketing, Wikipedia contributors, graphic designers, software developers, content writers, and so on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.